Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Qbasic or a compatible QB64 console so you can change text rendering. First, make sure your display resolution is stable. That affects perceived font size. Then choose whether you need larger text in the program output or the editor itself, because the how differs. Once done, note the target font size mentally and prepare to edit either the IDE settings or the program code that controls text scaling. Now you modify the environment or the code. If your IDE supports it, change the editor font size in options so all text grows. This is fastest. If not, alter your program, switch to a graphics screen mode, and draw text with enlarged bitmap fonts or scale text by drawing characters at 2x, 3x sizes. This gives precise control over readability. Make small adjustments and run the program frequently, so you can finish by saving your IDE preferences or embedding the scaling code into your program's initialization so the font stays larger every run. Then test across monitors, because different resolutions change apparent size. Adjust spacing and line height to keep text readable. If text clips or overlaps, reduce the scale slightly or add margins, and make sure you are using a compatible screen mode. If issues persist, switch to a different bitmap font or revert to a conservative scale and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.